hot enough for the shell to crack.
Did it say that the egg explodes?
The shell explodes. But I don't know what that means. Like, how can the shell explode the egg?
I think it's the egg explodes.
Oh my god! That scared the crap out of me.
Oh, it's all. It's all over something because I can see the egg all over this. And that won't. It doesn't. It hit me.
Yeah, the door flew open.
Yeah, the door flew up and it hit me. And that won't zoom. It's all blurry now. It won't focus. Laughter. No. Okay, get some carnage. Video the carnage. Yeah. Look, it's hanging off the ceiling.
Oh, yeah.
It's probably up in that vent too.
Oh yeah. That is
good stuff.
Bob, did it used to be bubbled up on the end like that?
Yeah, that was already there.
Yeah.
I kind of lied and made a great lie.
Wow.
Oh man.
It was awesome.
So there's not like
That is the best part.
Yeah, I don't know how, but that was great.
Oh, it's way better than marshmallows. Thank gosh we went to that website.
Good thing I had an egg.
Yeah.
I have another.
You know, when some people are just hanging out in the kitchen, you just pop an egg in and walk away.
That's what I thought.
I just can't believe it blew the door open. I mean, what kind of force must that have been?
It sounded like a gunshot.
That must have been a lot of force.
It's everywhere.
My poor roommates and everyone, what are these people doing?